Hello everyone, we're so excited for you guys to join us on campus for summer camps and workshops. Things are going to be a little bit different this year, so we wanted to take this opportunity to go over some of those changes and what to expect when coming on campus. When you first arrive at Longway Planetarium, you're going to enter in and see this desk. We'll have one of our staff members here to greet you and let you know which classroom your program will be in. I want to make sure that everybody knows that it is our top priority to make sure everybody is safe while we're in this space. We are making sure that we clean all the rooms so that they're ready for you when you arrive. We're also asking you to wear a mask when you step into our building. If you see an educator wearing these, don't be scared, we're very friendly. But we just want to wear this for your protection to make sure that we don't spread any germs between each other. Now, if you don't have a mask, no worries, because we will have some bandana masks that we will supply for you. They go right around your neck. You can bring them up to cover your nose and mouth when we're in the classroom. And if we step outside to have some fun and enjoy the nice weather, you can bring that right down off your face and you won't lose it. While you're here doing our camps and workshops, we need to make sure we try and continue to social distance. Now, 6 feet is kind of hard to stay apart, especially when you're having so much fun with your friends. But we need to make sure that we make every effort to stay a little bit of distance away from our friends. Some other things that we're going to do is we will have hand sanitizer in all of our locations, as well as sink that we can wash our hands with soap and water. Now friends, if you get here and you need a little bit of help either finding something or if you have a question, you can look for anybody with a Sloan Museum or Longway Planetarium name tag or the Longway Planetarium and Sloan Museum logo. I know I just talked about a lot of different ways that we are making sure you're going to be safe this summer. But most importantly, we have to remember that this is a time to have fun, explore, and learn new things. We can't wait for you to join us here at Longway Planetarium. See you soon.